Welcome to Totally Evelyn, and in today's video I'm going to show you a penthouse. Sorry about my dress attire. I'm supposed to be working, but it's been quite hot today. So let's go upstairs and I'll show you the penthouse before it gets too dark. The views are unbelievable. Video, my aim is to show you that if you have a company who is willing to pay for your stay in Dubai, then why not go for the penthouse up here? Let's go. Actually, beach access. Just take a short walk here and you're right on the beach, but I'll show you upstairs before it gets too dark. Here I am in this amazing penthouse. It is 4 bedrooms. It is huge. Now, what would you do in a house like this? Family, friends, socializing. I'll show you something. So guys, if you're looking for the ultimate place to stay, and money's no object, then this is the one. Sorry, it's a bit windy. Check the hair. This is absolutely huge. You could have a game of football here, and it takes you straight over to the other side of the beach. How beautiful is this? Hallelujah, hallelujah. Look at my hair, it's so bad. This would be an incredible place for someone like me. Are you someone like me that likes to be the hostess with the mostess? I like to cook dinners, I like to go to the beach if you want. If you're staying here as well, you can invite all your friends while they come on holiday to visit you in Dubai. You're back into your lounge. But not only that, you have another terrace. Be prepared. It's maybe not as windy outside. Let's see. Well, it's quite windy, but not as much. So when you come to this side, it's where you can do all your shopping. You have JBR over there. Can you see the big wheel? You have the best skyline, the beach, and isn't that just an incredible, breathtaking view? Now, if you've got family, then obviously they're going to be very happy because every room has so much space. A very short video I just wanted to show you today. It was just for my vlog, for my YouTube video, but you'll see me prancing about in my nice red suit. Guys, I work on Palm Jumeirah. I am a Scottish vlogger, living in Dubai, working in Dubai, a realtor, whatever you want to call me, real estate expert, a real estate specialist. Got 20 years background of looking after people globally, so I'm your first port of call if you're looking for something really, really beautiful. This would probably lend itself to a football player or someone that is very lucky. Definitely the one. Not only do I have penthouses, I have views like this in 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, and I can help you with villas and I can help you with modern apartments. When this is all lit up, it is absolutely stunning. Kitchen's being maintained, so I didn't want to really do anything in the kitchen. There's no lights, but when there is lights, that is stunning when these windows are all cleaned because you can see the skyline at the back of you there. There's a maid's room in here as well, so if you're privileged enough to have a maid to look after you, then all good. See you on the next video, guys. I hope you liked it. Lots and lots of love. Get in contact with me ASAP. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you on the next video.
like a receipt?